actually the morning. It is about 3 o'clock. I spent the whole day tidying the house, mowing the lawn, and then I had a nice relaxing bath. Bit of getting ready. The day has literally flown by. Oh yeah, I managed to edit one of my videos this morning as well. But how is it that when you're working, the day drags, but as soon as you've got some time to yourself at home, the day just flies by. Lisette is coming over shortly, my niece, and we are going to go to a firework display. So I'm just going to have a quick cup of tea, sit down for maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, watch the Kardashians, and then Lisette should be here. Lisette's here! Hello! Woo! We're going to the fireworks tonight. Yay! We're really excited, aren't we? Yeah! Is it your first bonfire? Yes! With me? Yeah! Are we going to put glitter on our faces? Yes! Yes! Okay, I'll do me first and then you, okay? Yeah. I've got so much glitter, Lisette. Yeah. I'm going to this one. You see it? Yeah. Please you do it on mine. Yeah. You need please say. Please make them on your lap. No, because I need to do the glitter, don't I? And I can't do it with you on my lap. Right. So that's that. Now I am gonna have gold. Whoa. You say you're lovely. It's lovely, is it? Yeah. You're lovely yet. I'm not lovely yet? No. Why? You're nearly yet. You're nearly lovely. There we go. And now can you see my glitter? Yes. Is that alright? Yep. Okay. Cool. Perfect. Right. Perfect. Just like you. So we're doing your hair first? Yep. Okay. What's this? That's pink. Okay, right. Now. Wow. Now the other side. Now we need this colour. Yes, okay. So now we need to put it on your face. Ready? Put it there, yeah? Look at me. You have exactly the same as Katy, yeah? Yeah. But in pink. Yeah. Wow. Now this is going to be very pink. And then what I'll do is I'll put some bigger ones on top. That one. Yeah? And let's hope this one sticks. Right, look up. It's making no noise. Is it? Yeah. Like fireworks? Yes. Us making fireworks and you making fireworks. Wow. Do you want to see yourself in the mirror now? Have a look. Should we take a picture? Yeah. Ready? And then we can send it to Mummy? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, hold on. Sit on my lap. And then we'll take a picture. Right, ready? Say cheese. Are we going to the fireworks? Yay! Are we excited? Yeah. Almost there. Oh my goodness, that's really big, isn't it? Yeah. And we're ages away. Oh, it'll be warm near the bonfire, won't it? How close do you think we can get? Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah? Do you like it, Chris?
Yeah.
Slightly similar to 5 AM at Glastonbury. Wow! Do you want Chris to pick you up so you can see it? Yeah?
Wow, look at that.
What's it called? A bonfire. Watch.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no! He didn't go in, did he?
Right, and we've also got 3 other. Yeah. They're like glitter sprinkles, aren't they? In the sky. It's like glitter everywhere. Different colour glitter. Lots of fairies dancing.
Can you see the fairies, Lisette?
What colour do you reckon that one's going to be? Oh, that one had pink in it.
Pink, we want pink! Yay!
Yes, that was pink! Yes, that was pink!
Lots of pink coming out over there, isn't there?
Oh yeah!
Lots of pink.
Pink!
That was green, that one.
Where's the pink one?
Obviously bigger.
Wow!
Look at that in you, Daniel. Wow.
Look! The cup! And all the fairies are in the sky! Aren't they? Like your face. Yeah? Yeah. Gonna clap now. Ready, Lisette? Say we're back! What are we going to do?
Shake it!
Sparklers! Yeah. Come on then, put your wellies back on and your jacket. Say night night.
Good night. Good morning, camera.
What are we doing?
We're doing chocolate and porridge.
We're gonna have chocolate. There we go. Oat drink chocolate with porridge.
We want drink.
You want some water?
Yes. We want
Let me just take the lid off for you. Don't spill it. Good. Okay, let's make the porridge then.
No more honours in Elsa's home. No more Elsa's in home. No more Elsa's in home. One day, Elsa. on the sauna and they go on the outside. They go on the everyone.
Oh shit, it makes us so far away. You can talk to them. Oh, they come and say hello. Hey. It's quite a few hours later. We went to Chris's nan's house for Sunday lunch, which was lovely. We got to see some of the family over there, and then we came back and literally just spent the whole afternoon watching films, chilling out, doing nothing. It's about 7:30 now, and Chris is heading over to his friend James's house to go and do some work on James's car. So I'm gonna finish the vlog here because I'm gonna do some editing this evening and just doing a little bit more chilling. I'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.